Creating a 3D product animation using an AI-generated design and Blender. Step 1. Open Adobe Photoshop and generate an idea. Start by launching Adobe Photoshop. Input a concept for your product. For this example, we'll use the idea of a transparent bottle. Click Generate to create 3 versions of the design. Select the version you like best. Import this design into Blender for further work. Step 3. Integrate the design with perfect lighting. Notice that the object is now integrated with perfect lighting in the scene. This will save you time on background work. Step 4. Add elements inside the object. To fill the transparent bottle, add elements inside. Create spheres and apply physics simulation to them. Run the simulation to see the effects. Step 5. Render the final animation. Apply a basic material to the spheres. Render the scene. You'll notice that the bottle blends beautifully with the environment thanks to the preset lighting, making the process swift and efficient. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to create a 3D product animation using AI-generated designs and Blender.